The Universal Periodic Review is a new and unique mechanism of the United Nations. This mechanism aims at improving the human rights situation in each of the 192 UN member states. The UPR is a full-circle process comprising of 3 key stages. First, the review in Geneva of the human rights situation of the state under review. Second, the implementation between 2 reviews, that is 4 years, in the country of those recommendations by the state under review. Third, the assessment at the next review on the implementation of those recommendations and on the human rights situation in the country since the previous review. 3 main documents are used to conduct the review of the state. The national report, written by the state under review. In this context, the state must conduct a national consultation with the civil society in order to assess the human rights situation. A compilation by the Office of the High Commissioner on Human Rights of information from treaty bodies, special procedures, and UN agencies. A summary by the Office of the High Commissioner of information received from national institutions and NGOs. The review consists of 3 moments. First, the state is reviewed during 3 hours in a working group by other states. Those states make recommendations, that is, suggestions on how to improve the human rights situation. The outcome of this working group is a draft report containing those recommendations. Second, this draft report is adopted by the working group 2 days after the review. Third, a final report is adopted by the Human Rights Council a few months later. The UPR is a universal process in several ways. First of all, as we have seen, it reviews all states in the world. But it is also universal in the sense that it concerns all human rights, from civil and political rights to economic, social, and cultural rights. Finally, it concerns everyone. States are reviewed by states, but the civil society, national institutions, the media, and the citizens have a great role to play in it. To know more about the UPR, please visit www.upr-info.org.